Hi, Pre-Prep. This is Miss Graham here. I hope you're all doing well. I've been thinking a little bit more about what it means to be a kindergartner, and one thing that I've been thinking a lot about is in kindergarten, you count a lot. And when we're thinking about counting, sometimes it's easier to organize what we're counting before we count it. So let me show you. I'm going to tilt my camera down so you can see what I'm talking about, because right now I have my recyclable collection out, and I'm noticing if I tried to count all of this right now, it would be really hard to keep track of. So what I'm going to practice doing is lining up my objects to count so that I can easily keep track of them. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to start with my soda tabs over here. So I'm going to make just a little bit of space moving forward. And I'm looking at all my soda tabs right here. And I'm going to use this space right here to put them in one straight line. So I'm going to start organizing them before I count them. And one straight line is an easier way to see how many I have and make sure that I only touch them one time as I count them. So I'm almost there. Okay, just a few more. Perfect. Okay, so these are looking like they're in a nice straight line. Now, I'm going to see if I can organize my jar lids real fast. I'm going to put these in a nice straight line too for as much as I can. And maybe I'll wrap it around a little bit. Okay, so I have my jar lids as straight as I can. I have a little too many, so I'll wrap them around. And last, I'm going to put my twist ties in a straight line. So, my friends, now that I've lined up all of my objects, it's a lot easier for me to count them. And what we can also do with our counting is we can take a little Post-it or a little piece of paper and write down the number that we have all together. So I'm going to start with my twist ties, and I'm going to touch each one time as I count. I want you to count with me at home. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 twist ties. Now I'm going to take a marker or something to write with, and I'm going to take my little piece of paper, and I'm going to write the number 4. And I'll put it right next to my twist tie so I can remember that there's 4. Now, let me count my line of jar lids. Help me count at home. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm being really careful here to make sure I'm only touching them one time. So all together, there is 11 jar lids. So I'm going to take my piece of paper and my marker again. I'm going to write 11. That's a 1 and a 1. And I'll put that right here. So I remember I have 11 jar lids. Now, I have a lot of soda tabs. Can you help me count my soda tabs at home? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this whole line is 23. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. That's a 2 and a 3, just like that. So I'm going to put that over here. Now, I hope at home you have some collections or some of your things or toys that you might want to count. But remember, every time we count, we can line up what we're trying to count so we can keep track a little better. I hope you have fun counting at home.